In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell crypto on Coinbase during volatile markets. Market swings can be fast and stressful, so I'll walk you through a clear, practical process to place a sale with confidence and reduce surprises. First, open the Coinbase app or head to the Coinbase website and log in. Make sure your account is verified and ready for trading, so orders can execute without delays. If you're using a new device, give yourself a moment to pass any security checks before moving on. Next, check the market. Look at the live price of the cryptocurrency you're considering, and pay attention to how quickly it's moving. Rapid spikes and dips signal high volatility, which can cause the price you see to change before your order fills. Take a breath, watch a few price updates, and get a feel for the pace. Now choose the crypto you want to sell. Navigate to its trading page so you can see the order options and the latest price. If liquidity looks thin or the spread between buy and sell prices is wide, expect more slippage. Decide how you want to sell. A market order sells immediately at the current available price, which is fast, but during volatile moves it might feel lower than you expect. A limit order lets you set your target price. The order will only execute if the market reaches that price, giving you control but no guarantee of an immediate fill. Quick note before we continue, you'll find the official Coinbase app download link and the website link right at the top of the description for easy access. Consider selling in portions if you want to manage risk. Instead of unloading everything at once, break the sale into smaller amounts. This approach can help you average out sudden price swings and reduce the impact of one unlucky fill. When you're ready, confirm the sale. Enter the amount you want to sell, review the estimated final price and any fees, and make sure the order type is correct. If it all looks good, tap or click Sell to complete. After the sale, protect your proceeds. Move the funds to USD or convert them to a reputable stablecoin to limit further exposure to volatility. Avoid leaving everything in a highly volatile asset if your goal is to secure value. That's the full process. Check the market, choose your crypto, pick the right order type, sell in sensible portions, confirm carefully, and secure your funds. Thanks for watching.